A for apple, B for ball, C for cap, D for duster, E for egg, F for fan, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lamp, M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for pot, Q for quill, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yacht, Z for zip. Thanks for watching.